Every fall, millions of homeowners dutifully call a chimney sweep. We know fire needs fuel, and we know soot is highly flammable, so we respect the danger and we clean it out. But there's another fire hazard in your home right now, hiding behind a daily household chore. Doing a load of laundry feels entirely safe. This chart shows the U.S. Fire Administration's annual data on dryer vent fires. We are looking at roughly 2,900 house fires a year, causing about 100 injuries, 5 deaths, and $35 million in property damage. Those fires rarely start from a mechanical failure or a frayed wire. The leading culprit is just lint, the slow accumulation of highly flammable fibers clumping together inside a dark space. Your dryer has a primary lint trap, and you probably clean it out after every load. But that screen only catches a fraction of the debris coming off your clothes. The rest of that lint gets pushed out of the machine along with hot, moist exhaust air, traveling directly into the hidden ductwork running right through your walls. Trusting that primary lint trap creates a false sense of security, allowing a hidden fire risk to grow silently out of sight. Stage 1 is the nuisance phase. Escaped lint thickly coats the inside of the exhaust duct, narrowing the airway. The machine works longer to expel moisture. A normal 40-minute load now takes 80 minutes, signaling a physical blockage. Since the moisture has nowhere to go, your laundry room might start feeling unusually humid. Your clothes might come out smelling musty. And because the dryer runs twice as long, it consumes 30% more energy per load, driving up utility bills. This phase accelerates rapidly in homes with pets because animal hair binds lint together like glue, or in houses using flexible foil ducts instead of smooth, rigid metal. That extra 20 minutes on the timer is a measurable warning your exhaust system is failing. That brings us to stage 2. The restricted system forces the heating elements to work constantly, driving internal temperatures far past safe design limits. You can check for this physically. Outside your house, the exhaust flapper lacks the force to blow open. Inside, the top of the dryer machine will feel extremely hot to the touch. Next comes stage 3, ignition. Lint ignites at relatively low temperatures. When a pocket of superheated exhaust stem finally strikes that dense wall of trapped fibers, it catches fire. A burning smell while the dryer is running marks an active emergency. Stop the machine immediately and unplug it. That scent indicates lint has already reached ignition temperatures. These fires escalate incredibly quickly. Because the ductwork runs behind your drywall, a lint fire spreads directly into the wall cavities, climbs the insulation, and reaches the attic, completely bypassing your household smoke detectors. Because the fire originates within the walls, by the time you actually smell smoke in the hallway, the home's core structure is already compromised. To prevent this entirely, the National Fire Protection Association recommends a full cleaning of your dryer vent system at least once a year. Consumer-grade hardware store kits often fail to reach deep clogs, and a DIY approach cannot identify dangerous, non-compliant foil ducting hidden in your walls. Professionals tackle this with commercial-grade equipment, using specialized rotary brushes and high-powered vacuums to scrub the entire length of the ductwork. In Northern Virginia, Tim McGurl and his team at A&T Chimney Sweeps have been clearing these exact hazards across 24 cities for over a decade. They deal with both chimney fires and dryer fires, which share the same root cause, a gradual buildup of flammable material that finally ignites when the system runs heavy during the winter months. That shared risk is why A&T offers a bundled package. For $239, they will perform a Level 2 video inspection and sweep of your chimney, plus a complete dryer vent cleaning in a single 45-minute visit. You address both winter fire hazards simultaneously and save money compared to booking them separately. A professional cleaning restores your dryer's efficiency and eliminates friction from your schedule. Most importantly, it serves as the smartest, cheapest insurance policy you can buy to prevent a $10,000 disaster hiding right behind the drywall.